Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT capture quantifiers. In today's set, we are going to discuss a very interesting set on DILR. The basic phenomena behind this set, it feels like a very complicated one, but if you actually go into it and read between the lines, it is one of the easiest set you can find. Let's see what the set is all about. Okay, before we move ahead, this is the overview of the courses we provide for CAT. The courses sculptured and made specifically for the people who believe that CAT is not for them. For example, for non-engineers who fear math or DILR, the course is specifically designed for customized for them from very basics to a level they cannot even imagine. So let's see what the set is all about today's set. It says that there are 10 colleges, COET, COEP, MIT, VIT, and so on. These are the 10 colleges which are rated on 8 parameters. So these are the 8 parameters on which these colleges are rated. Every college got non-negative integral points on every parameter. So points cannot be decimal, points cannot be negative. Points can be 0, 1, 2, and any number. The table below gives the cumulative points of all the college parameter wise and also the cumulative point by each college on all the parameters. So cumulative simply means that if I talk about accessibility, the total score scored by 10 colleges on accessibility comes out to be 13. ठीक है, तो ये 13 का स्कोर है 10 colleges में spread out है किसी ना किसी तरीके से. This 13 is spread out in this 13 colleges. ठीक है, in 10 colleges. Similarly, for COET, 18 represents the total of the score it has got on 8 parameters. On 8 parameters, on each parameter he has got some points and the total of these is 18. So this is the basic. Now let's read the first point. If infrastructure, resources, industry interface and canteen facilities are the only parameters, so infrastructure, resources, canteen facilities and industry interface, these are the only 4 things on which these colleges are rated. The colleges COET, COEP, MIT and DME. So these 4 colleges are rated on only these. Then what can be the maximum percentage, or what is the points scored on resources by SNT as a percentage of total points scored by SNT cannot be. So resources upon SNT into 100 इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. This value cannot be greater than what, which means I have to maximize this. Since I have to maximize this, which means I have to maximize the score of resources when SNT is scored or graded. So what is the total score of these parameters? 18 and 25, 43 and 17, 60 and 9, 69. 69 is the total score and these 4 colleges accumulate a total of 18, 11, 29, 14, 43 and 13, 56. So this 56 score is fetched from these 4 variables. If I want to maximize the score of resources over here, I would want to minimize the share of resources over here. So what I will think that 18 is taken from here, 17 is taken from here, 35 and 9 is taken from here. So in this way, 44 is taken from these 3 parameters, infrastructure plus canteen facilities plus industry interface. And how much is left? 12 is left. So only 12 is taken from resources. So out of 25, if only 12 is taken from resources for these 4 colleges, then 13 can be allocated to anywhere else. Since I don't have any restriction, so I will think that this 13 goes directly to SNT. What is the total points of SNT? 16. So 13 upon 16 into 100 is 81.25. So this is the maximum score which SNT could have got on resources parameter. This is the answer. Okay, this is the first question. Second question says, if reputation and alumni network were rated in exactly 3 colleges and no other parameter was rated in these 3 colleges. So reputation and alumni network. So this is reputation. So basically 16 plus 19, that is 35, was allocated to 3 colleges and no other parameter was allocated to these 3 colleges. Means ये 3 colleges का total यहीं से 35 बनेगा और कहीं से नहीं बनेगा. How many colleges were definitely not rated for reputation? Now how many colleges are there which are not made from this? So basically this is what the question is asking me. So basically I have to think of the combinations, that which college possible combination can be fit in here. For example, let me take a very blunt example. Let 15, 12, 27, do we have 8? No, 15 and 13, 28. Okay, let's say one example could be 15, 13, 28 and 7, 35. This is one combination. In this combination, XOT, ORT and VIT are rated over these two parameters. Similarly, can I have something else also? Let's say 11 is there. 11 ke saath I need 24. So 16, 8, 7, 17, 16, 8, 7, 17, 9, 15. Okay, 9 and 15. So 11, 15 and 9 is another such parameter. So it is possible that this 35 are distributed as 11, 9 and 15, which means that this is possible that COEP, MIT and such on so on and so long colleges are rated upon these. ठीक है, ये हमें दिया हुआ है. Now I have to think of those variables or those colleges which cannot be rated in this. अब मुझे उन colleges के बारे में सोचना है जो जिसके combination से मैं 35 बना ही नहीं सकता. So let me think that 35 is the this and A, B, C are the 3. Let us take 18. So if I am taking 18, I need 17 more. 11, 6 is not possible. 14, 3 is not possible. 7, 10 is not possible. 9, 8, 9, 16, 9, 13, 9. Nothing else is possible. Which means that there is no way I can make up COET by including this 35. So COET is definitely not there. Let us now think about anything else. 11 के साथ मैंने बना ही लिया था. 11 के साथ क्या बनाया था? 11, 15, 9 बनाया था. 11, 15 and 9. 11 and 15, 26 and 9. So this is a possible case. With 14, what can I make with 14? 14 ke sath I need 21 more. 21 more can be 7 and 9, 9 and 12. 9 and 12. So this is also possible. 14, 9 and 12. These three colleges can also be included. If I talk about 7, I need 28 more. So this is directly from here, 15 and 13. So this is also possible. This is also possible. With 16, I need 19 more. So 12 and 7. 16 is also possible. 13 I have already taken. So all these scores are possible. Only one college is not possible. That is COET. Which means if I am taking only two variables and making only three colleges complete through them, COET is the only such college that cannot be included. So this is the answer. Then n parameters were chosen such that the average score for each of the given colleges was same as well as large as possible. हर कॉलेज को सेम स्कोर देना और बड़े से बड़ा स्कोर देना. Every college has to be given same score and the largest possible. Okay. What is the least number of parameters that cannot be a part of n? So what is the question asking from us? That I have added some variables. I have get some college. I'm getting some score. Let's say x is the score. This x is divided among all the colleges. Okay. And I am getting some value y, which is given to every possible college, and I want to make this as large as possible because I want that minimum number of variables should stay out of this total because I want to cover maximum. So let us think that first of all, which is the value that I can give to everyone. Can I say 7 is that value? Because I cannot give 8 to VIT obviously. So these are 10 colleges. If I give 7 to it each, which means I need a total of 70 by including the maximum number of colleges. मुझे 70 का total चाहिए by including the maximum number of colleges. So including the maximum number of colleges. Let us see how we can include the maximum number of parameters, not colleges. I need a total of 70 by including the maximum number of parameters. Now, if I want to maximize the number of parameters, I should take the values as small as possible. I should start with the minimum value, let's say 9. Let's pick up 9. Let's pick up 11. 9 plus 11, 20. Next is 13. Next is 16. And next is 17. Okay. 9, 11, 13, 16 and 17. So 9 and 11, 20 and 13, 33 and 16, 49 and 17, 66 I have reached up to now. How much I need? 70. So if I go any further, next possible value if I pick, I'll surpass 70. Can I make any alteration in these 5 variables so as to get 70 as a total? How much I am getting? I am getting 66. So I need 4 more. Can I increase any 1 by 4? 13 cannot be 17 because 17 is already there. 11 को 4 से बढ़ा सकता हूँ मैं. 15 आ जाएगा, वो नहीं है. ठीक है. 11 cannot be made 15. Okay. Okay. I can replace 16 by 18. I can replace 17 by 19. In this way, I am replacing these two variables by 18 and 19, which is producing the total of 70, which means I have used 5 variables to produce a total of 70, whose average is 7, and each college can be given 7 via this. So this is the basic structure of my question. So basically, how many variables I used? 5 variables I used. So how many variables did I exclude? 3 variables I include. So the answer for this question is 3 variables. Pretty straightforward one, just involved a bit of calculations. Let's look at the last one. The maximum colleges got equal points on resources. So resources के ऊपर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा colleges को equal points मिले हैं. Equal points. ठीक है. What is the least number of points that ORT could have got on resources such that it did not have same points on anyone else? So ORT did not have same points as anyone else, and it should be minimum possible. So first of all, let me think that what can I give to each college. For 25, let us say if I am dividing 25 by 10, each college will be getting 2.5, which is not possible because it has to be an integer. Or what I can do, 10 into 2 to each college plus 5 to 1. But in that college, in that way, ORT is getting 5 because it has to be distinct. I want to make it as less as possible. So let's see, is there any other combination possible? 25 divided by 9. 9 into 2 is 18 plus 7. In this way, ORT is getting 7. Okay. So if I take it 8, 8 into 3 is 24. So 8 into 3 is 24. So 8 colleges are getting 3 each. Only one is left. One college is getting 1 and one college is getting 0. So the minimum value in this way I can give to ORT over resources is 0. One value is given to this and rest all are given 3. So in this way 24 plus 1, 25 is taken. So 25, and in this way ORT is given 0, which is distinct, not similar with anyone. So the answer for last is 0, 0, 3, 1 and 81.25. This is the answer for this question. I hope the set is clear to you guys. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe to our channel. And yes, our new batch is going to start super soon. You can join. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.